Hello everyone, how is it going? This is Ashwin again. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial on OpenCV3 and Python 3. This is going to be a very short tutorial. This is mostly the code that we are going to see is going to be the repetition of the code that we have seen for creating the salt and pepper noise. And this is the code. This is the same code exactly which we saw while creating the salt and pepper noise, but the only difference is that we are applying it on a different image. So let's execute this code, and this is the output. So in case you are wondering why this code is working like that, you can just go ahead and check my earlier tutorial on salt and pepper noise. So the focus of this tutorial is not going to be the salt of pepper noise only. The focus of this tutorial is going to be how to remove that salt and pepper noise using the median blur function in OpenCV. So let me open a notepad. So there are certain filters which are very useful while handling a certain type of noise. So salt and pepper noise can be handled efficiently by something known as median filter. Median filter or median blur. So let's apply median blur on this image and let's see how the output is. So we are going to see only one new line of code, or we are just going to learn a single new function in this tutorial. So but it was kind of necessary to create a separate tutorial for this, because we are dealing with salt and pepper noise. So I thought like it's a very good idea to not to club it with some other sort of blurring or smoothing functions. Okay, so anyway, this median blur is still a low pass filter, and so median blur, we can introduce median blur to the output like this. So noisy is the this noisy image, correct, will be the input for the median filter. So denoised equals to cv2 dot median blur noisy comma 3. So this is how we are going to denoise the image, and let's use this median. No, not median, it should be denoised. Okay, and finally we are also gonna need a new title, denoised and 3. So let's execute this code and see how the output looks like. Yes, so as you can see, the original image is this one, noisy image is this one, and denoised image is this one, and it is really handling this salt and pepper noise very efficiently, because you are not able to see a lot of grains of salt and pepper after denoising the image. You can further use a 5x5 filter by sending a 5 here, and you will even find less number of grains, correct? So there are even less number of grains, and image hasn't been I mean the quality of image doesn't seem to have deteriorated at all. So this is how we can use median blur. I mean, this is one of the most dramatic examples of the working of the filters. So even if your image is peppered with a lot of noise, if you use something an appropriate filter for that, like median blur, then you will get a nice denoised image. And this has got a lot of applications in image processing or in scientific computing. So thanks a lot for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you next time.